Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at something that could be a real game changer for DG FPV goggle users. The VERBANA drone goggles 38mm head strap replacement. This isn't just a simple strap. It's marketed as a universal 2-in-1 removable headband kit, designed specifically as a spare part for those digital goggles. Anyone who's spent significant time flying FPV knows how crucial comfort is, especially around the head and face. The stock straps can sometimes leave a lot to be desired, either in terms of fit, material, or just overall feel after a long session. That's where a replacement like this comes in. This particular strap from VERBANA boasts a 38mm width, which is often preferred by pilots as it tends to distribute pressure more evenly across the forehead, potentially leading to less fatigue compared to narrower straps. It's described as universal, meaning it should fit the DG FPV digital goggles without issue, acting as a direct spare or upgrade. The 2-in-1 aspect, combined with it being a removable headband kit, suggests versatility. While the exact configurations aren't detailed, this typically implies you might have a main strap and a top strap, or perhaps different ways to attach or adjust them, allowing users to customize the fit and support to their liking. The fact that it's a kit and removable makes installation and potential future changes straightforward. The color option provided is called 3-in-1 green, which is an interesting name given the 2-in-1 description, but the green color itself can add a bit of personal flair to the goggles. A key factor for comfort is adjustability. This VERBANA strap offers a horizontal adjustment range from 38 to 52 centimeters. This wide range means it can accommodate a significant variety of head sizes, ensuring a snug but not overly tight fit around the sides. Equally important is the vertical adjustment, which spans from 28 to 43 centimeters. This vertical strap, often going over the top of the head, is crucial for preventing the goggles from sliding down the face, especially during dynamic movements. The combination of these two adjustment ranges allows for a highly personalized fit, which is essential for long, comfortable flights. Replacing the stock strap with something like this VERBANA kit could significantly improve the wearing experience of the DG FPV goggles. Better weight distribution, enhanced stability through the vertical strap, and the ability to fine-tune the fit can all contribute to longer, more enjoyable flight sessions without the distraction of an uncomfortable headset. It's presented as a straightforward spare part, making it an accessible upgrade for anyone looking to boost their FPV comfort. The removable nature also means it's easy to clean or replace again if needed down the line. For pilots seeking a more comfortable and stable fit for their DG FPV digital goggles, this 38mm VERBANA head strap replacement kit appears to offer a compelling solution with its universal design, adjustable ranges, and versatile 2-in-1 configuration potential. It seems like a practical and worthwhile investment for enhancing the FPV experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.